Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes from Arkham House Public Boys High School. Today I am going to teach you subject science class 6 chapter number 1 cellular organization of plants and animals. For this open your books page number 4. Here is your page number 4. Now I will start reading from here. When we look at a brick house, we can easily see that the bricks are small units in it. Like a brick house, all living things or organisms are made of very small units. In this chapter, we shall discuss about these small units of living organisms. Okay, cells. Cell is the basic small unit of living organism. All living organisms are made of cells. A cell is the basic unit of structure and function of all living organisms. Plants and animals are made of trillions of cells. Some living organisms consist of only one cell, like bacteria. Cells are different in size, shape, and function. For example, here's show a picture, figure 1.1. Different cells of our body perform different functions. Like here are different cells like nerve cell, white blood cell, red blood cell, muscle cells, bone cell, and skin cell. All these cells have different functions to do. So, nerve cell, it is conduct messages and present in brain. White blood cell, what is the function of white blood cell? It fight against germs that cause disease. Okay, red blood cells transport oxygen around the body. Muscle cells contract and bring about movement. Skin cells cover the body and protect inner layers. Bone cells produce bones to shape and support body. Okay. Some cells are large enough to be seen with naked eyes, for example, yolk of an egg. But small cells are too small. We cannot see them with our eyes. We need a special instrument to see the cells. Now, here you come to know where the cell first used. The term cell was first used by an English scientist, Robert Hooke, in 1665. He observed tiny box-like structures in a thin slice of a cork under a microscope. He called these structures cells. Okay, here you can see this is a cork and this is a microscope, and here is the structure of small building unit called cell, which are under observation of a microscope. Now you come to know what is microscope. Move toward page number 5 and start reading. Microscope. Microscope is an instrument which is used to see very small things which cannot be seen with naked eyes. Okay, when we look at something through microscope, it appears larger. How many times it appear? It appears 1500 times bigger than its size. Okay, the microscope we use in our schools are light microscope. These microscopes use light to show the images. Here you see a light microscope which consists of base, mirror, objective lens, tube, eyepiece, adjustment screws, and arm. Okay, the lens near the object to be seen is called an objective lens. Here is an objective lens, and you place an object here to see from this lens. This is an eyepiece lens. The lens at the end of the tube through which we observe an object is called an eyepiece. Why it is called eyepiece? Because from here you can see this object. Okay, the lens which are near the object called objective lens, and the lens which is near to your eye is called eyepiece. Light is passed through the object from below using a mirror. Here is a mirror. Light is directly fall and pass to the object. Okay, where you can see by eyepiece. The object to be seen is placed on glass slide. Here is a glass slide, and this red mark shows that something is placed over it. This is a glass slide which is act like an object and placed over here. To focus the object clearly in the microscope, two adjustment screws are used. These are two adjustment screws. With this help you can adjust your microscope to see your object clearly. We can view an object up to 1500 times bigger than its original size. Most of cells are too small to be seen without a microscope. Here, nowadays scientists use electron microscope to see very small objects inside the cell. An electron microscope can magnify the image up to 5 lakh times. It shows clear image on a television screen. This microscope uses a beam of electron instead of light. This microscope uses light, while microscope which is called electron microscope is made by beam of electrons. So your reading of page number 4 and 5 is done. Now move your copy work. Open your copies and prepare like this. First term syllabus, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 6. Chapter profile, chapter number 1, cellular organization of plants and animals. Reading, short questions, long question, book exercise and test. Your classwork, chapter number 1, cellular organization of plants and animals. Reading of page number 4 and 5 is already done. Your question number 1 is, what is a cell? A cell is the basic unit of the structure and function of all living organisms. For example, plants and animals. Move toward question number 2. What is a microscope? A microscope is an instrument which is used to see very small things that cannot be seen with naked eyes. Question number 3 is, write about some different cells of our body. And the answer is, some cells of our body are skin cells, bone cells, nerve cell, white blood cells, red blood cells and muscle cells. Your today's lecture is completed here. I hope you will understand and prepare your copies like this. At the end, thank you. Allah Hafiz.